Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath?
Excuse me, sir. Do you know how to get to the beach?
Did you just wake up from your nap?
Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
Do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
Where's Lucy?
Steve, karate chop him in his neck. Who are you? Wait, Daisy, if that's you, who are you?
What the fuck? Get your ass off me.
Mark?
You're adopted.
Oh my goodness, look at your little face.
Можно.
Yes!
Please tell me you're gonna.
Yes! That is awesome!
Oh, hi.
I'm so fucking sexy. Drop it. Drop it. Evelyn.
He's a good boy,
I understand
Dan.
screw ups. I understand.
Good boy.
So France, who was not on the ALCS roster.
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
Check. Aferin. Pet. Check. Aferin.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
High five. Too slow. What? Mr. Felix. Pachi. I'm gonna get Pachi. I'm a Tom.
That's her butt. Don't touch it.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Hey! Mark!
Can I get a oh yeah?
Yeah, we will.
Out on the bed, you. No.
Go to your bed. No, go in your bed. Get in your bed. Go. Get in that bed.
Take.
no.
No. You do not bite. No.
What's the deal? I'm Power Play Bobby. This scrunch money hard as
What the fuck are you doing?
Fuck up. That's a oops fucky wucky. That's what that. How?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah.
What the? Bro, what?
No. Oh no. Did he take it?
I already did that one. Thank you.
We had a good time at the groomers. Ginger, look at me. You're such a bitch.
Hill. Treat. Treat.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
So good and tasty.
You gotta take a small bite, Rocco. So, we stick it in the back of his throat, and then we just let him lick the peanut butter.
And then what happened?
No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
I literally didn't invite you up here.
I'm not taking you bye-bye.
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck? What the hell?